Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Google device. Begin with opening settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on security section. Following that, tap on screen lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. After that, you need to enter it. Choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. When you're ready, select confirm at the bottom right corner as well. And tap on one of those options to answer the question, how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I don't want any, so I will go with the last option by tapping on it and tap on done at the bottom right corner. Now when I click home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. As you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!